Hey guys, it's Scissor here with my first unboxing video. Today we're going to be going through some packages that I just received. One of them being from our good friend Trainer Trey. This is just part of my order. And yeah, I know, it's already open. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't like paperwork and stuff that had my address and stuff that I wouldn't want people to have. So we'll go ahead and check out what we got here. Bro, that right there is a beauty. So freaking sick. I mean, that's really good detail too. Take it out of the package and let you have a little better look anyway. Definitely gonna have to pick up some more of these. Super nice. Okay. Now next on the agenda is going to be a lot of cards that I purchased through Mercari. We'll go ahead and crack this baby open. Let me make sure there's nothing up top here. That would be pretty bad. I know I was pretty worried whenever I got it out of the mailbox. It had been basically just crammed in there and thrown in there with a bunch of other stuff. We can thank our mailman for that one. Well, there's no cardboard, nothing to protect them. They just throwed the cards. Well, looks like they're in a sleeve, maybe a bag. I guess it's a little better than I thought. I mean, they've got a little bag with some Ice Rider sleeves. Alright, let's see what we got first. Got a Team Rocket Grimer, which done got one of these for my collection, unless this one's in better shape than mine. Which, it's looking like it's in pretty good shape. Not too terrible. And that's not a 10 or nothing like that. I'm just picking up cards for my binder collection. Go ahead and set this one over here. Up next, another Grimer from Team Rocket. Centering looks pretty good on this one. A little bit of whitening. Don't know how well it picks up. Not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of my sleeves. Sleeve that bad boy up. Love to get one of the Japanese ones. Now we're to the Drowsy. Man, these sleeves are really, I don't like them. It's hard to really see the card. I don't know what anybody else thinks, but this one here seems like it's about the same condition. Centering's not as good on the back of it anyway. Need to sleeve her up. Now we're gonna go, yeah, now these are some that I was glad to get. Some Neo Discoveries. The Unknown E. Got some scratches on it. Yeah, this one's definitely in the moderately played to light played. Got some whitening right here on the front. But for a 20-plus-year-old card, I mean, can't really complain. Alright, up next, we have Unknown F from Discovery. Looking pretty good. A lot better than the last one. I don't see as many scratches anyway. Definitely seems light played, but you can't really complain. It's pretty good. Then we go to the Unknown D. Centering is pretty way off on this one. Surface looks pretty good. Decent. I really am a fan of the old artwork on these. That and that huge hit of nostalgia you get from it. Now we're going to base set 2. Got a Sparrow. This is one set that I do not have a lot of. I think I might have 5 or 6 cards in it, maybe. This one here is another moderately played. That's what I would call it. We're on to a reverse hollow metal energy. Please, I hope this one's not scratched to shit. It actually looks really good. I mean, you can let me know what you think, but as far as the surface on this one, that's the best one so far. So there are a few hollows in this set, or in this lot. Got a little bit of whitening. This is 2019. Definitely a sun and moon era. Ooh, forgot about this one being in there. Got a reverse hollow Charmeleon Evolutions. Really hope this one's not scratched. I mean, I don't resell cards really unless it's my doubles. Everything that I pick up is normally for a purpose. I don't do this for a profit. Do it to kind of have something to do with my kids. I got lucky. I've got three boys. Each one of them, he's just now kind of figuring out what the world is. He's only 2. This it's in decent shape. I'd say lightly played. It's got a few scratches on it and one pretty good print line. Now we'll go on to Cherrim. How's that hollow? That looks really spectacular to me. Need to get a better light. Puts too much of a glare. That one's pretty good though. I know a lot of people don't really care about your regular hollow cards anymore, but those were always my favorite growing up. Which, I mean, don't get me wrong, them full arts are fire, but those there are pretty sick. Alright, now we're gonna go into Vaporeon. Hidden Fates. This is honestly my first Hidden Fates card. Pretty sick. Picked a bad time to get back into collecting, I guess. I mean, I've always been a Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh collector on and off for hell as long as they've been out. It's pretty good shape. It's really good. This is where it's at for me though, man. These regular hollows, you get all that crazy artwork. Then I've noticed the alternate art, full art, pretty sweet too. And we picked up a Japanese card in this set apparently. I honestly just seen a few cards that I wanted and picked up the set because it seemed like it was worth it. Ooh, that looks pretty sick. I like that one. Not sure. Trying to think what that one's name was. I forget. That's like the fire and rock Pokemon. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Here was one card that I picked up. I've been trying to complete my evolution set. This one here, not really sure what kind of shape this is in. Number 72 out of 108. You guys can have a look. That just looks 3D, dude. That's so cool. That blows me away how far like they have come with these. That is just amazingly nice. The front and the back. I mean, there's not a speck of whitening. The centering looks pretty good. Leave that in the sleeve. Now we're gonna move on to NDV. Now I'm not sure. I know it's a shiny, but I'm not sure if that's a secret rare, maybe. I don't know. It's a silver card. I think the secrets are gold, or is that the rainbow? Like I said, I'm new to this stuff, or these newer kind of rarities. Looks really nice though. Urshifu VMAX. Looks pretty cool. Definitely looks like something I wouldn't want to find in the woods. Hey, I wonder if this bear shit's in the woods. Trey, if you see that, I hope you get a kick out of it. You too, Tricorius. That shit's funny. Got a Blissey V from Chilling Rain. I don't know about everybody else, but I mean, I was able to score a few packs out of that, but still didn't get very much. Didn't have very good luck out of it as far as the pulls on it. Well, we're down to the final two. Alright, which one is we're gonna go with? Left one. Necrozma V. Looks pretty good, pretty good. All these V cards are looking pretty good. And theirs looking pretty good, for sure. Alright. So for you people that know more about these than I do, I've got, I think, like $26 after shipping and everything. And what you see here. Not sure if that's good, bad, ugly, let me know. This has been Scissor Simpson. Peace out.